We're going to check out some more of these amazing hair transformations. So with this one, she started off with very long hair, and the stylist is cutting the hair to a bob. She is getting an angle with this one. Love the overall shape of her bob. This is absolutely gorgeous. She does have a middle part with this as well. Perfect for bringing out her cheekbones. And it really just frames her face very nicely. So moving into the next transformation. So she starts off with about mid-length hair, and the stylist does cut the hair down. So she does get color as well. She started off with kind of like ombre colored hair. And I do apologize that this video is very small. So the stylist works on the color, and looks like she went with blonde highlights. Ooh. Oh wow, she actually got like rose gold. Oh, this is really pretty. So she got rose gold money piece highlights in the front and then ombre in the back. And then moving on to the next transformation, looks like she's going to be getting a bob haircut. So the stylist cuts the hair into a nice kind of neck length style bob. I love the fact that her hair is like this beautiful jet black. It looks so dreamy. So it looks like she's getting bangs as well. Beautiful blunt bangs in the front. So this is definitely more of like a classic bob that she's getting here. Definitely giving me retro 1920s vibes. So here is the final results. Absolutely love this. Gorgeous. I think that black looks amazing against her fair complexion and blue eyes. It just makes her eyes pop that much more. So moving into our next transformation. So she ends up getting a cut and color. So the stylist is using the clippers to further trim the hair out, and then she defines the natural curls. I love this color combination against her complexion as well. Very beautiful. So next up, looks like we're going to see another curly head makeover. Ooh, such beautiful definition. Love the color combination with this as well. Beautiful highlights throughout. And then here looks like we see a bob transformation. So she's getting more of that traditional neck length style bob. Oh, so she also got bangs as well, and the stylist is adding these gorgeous layers. Perfectly nice stacked bob. And then here, it looks like we're going to see a color transformation on this platinum pixie. So she's getting the split dye down with this. Oh, half purple, half copper. Such a beautiful combination. So we head into our next transformation. Looks like she's also going to be getting bangs. So it looks like she got a little bit of layers and curtain bangs in the front. Very nice. And then here we see another bob transformation. So the stylist is curling the hair with a flat iron, giving it a bit of a bump. And then it looks like the part is on the angle, so she does have a nice little side swept bang with this one. So moving into the next transformation, so the stylist does a color test. You can see that right there in the back. And she went with this gorgeous wavy cut with highlights with the blonde. Beautiful color combination with that one. And then we move into more of a pixie transformation. Alright you guys, I hope that you enjoyed checking out these hair transformations with me. If you did, be sure to give this video a like and of course subscribe for more.